So today I decided to bake bread. Yeah, I've never baked bread before. I've never done it before. And even if I had done it before, I've never used a pan to do it before. So I used this ceramic plate that I have, and I put it in a non-stick pan and covered it with tin foil and put it on my stove top. It was really horrible. My neighbor actually came to knock on my door to tell me that there was smoke coming out of my kitchen, and I had to go and turn it off, and I found that everything burnt. It was horrible. I don't even know. So I tried it sucked, and I would not advise anybody to try it because fire hazard and it's not safe. But I think I'm going to try some other time because I really love the recipe and I really love the way the bread is, even though it got ruined. Like, it's so soft, and just look at the way it opens up. Oh my god, it is so soft. It's supposed to be a buttermilk bread, and oh god, it would have been so nice if it had come out perfectly. And this is the first time I'm trying it, but I'm going to try it some other time, and I'll probably video. I hope it comes out